Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. So before you go buy you a set of Dura Blocks, you might look at what I do. What I start with is a 1.5 inch thick piece of Owens Corning, which is pink, or Dow foam, which is blue, foam. It's not the white, it doesn't have the foil insulation on it. It's just regular pink foam or blue foam if you get Dow. So what I like about this is one I've used quite a bit. Is it's soft on the hands, it's a little bit flexy. I'm going to show you right here how we cut one just for a flat block. Now you can use this sticky back 2 3/4 inch. You can get this in all sorts of variety of grits, and you can get this at your auto body shop. You can get it at Napa, O'Reilly's. What you can do, and I'll turn this camera down here. The way I start out, let's say we want to block this size right here. So we take our paper, put our paper on. That gives us a line to cut. So we come here and we score about halfway through, and then you can break it off. So right there is a nice block. What I'm going to do is show you how to use it in small contours. So let's say that you replace some metal right here, and you put some fiberglass in there, and then you put some filler over the top, and you want that contour to be exact. Okay, so what we want to do is make this piece of foam the exact contour of that body line right there. And so instead of coming in here and hacking it with a knife or sanding on this with a grinder and keep trying to fit it, what we're going to do is we're going to take our sandpaper and we're going to push it in like so, and that's following that contour exactly. Then we're going to take this foam and we'll just keep working it like this. Okay, so that took about 10 seconds, and you can see this is the exact contour of this body line right here. So what we have to do now is that we take this off and then we put it on the block itself, pushing it in the contour of our custom made block now, like so, just like that. And what that does is when we sanded on it, it made this block a little bit smaller by the thickness of the sandpaper. Then when we take the sandpaper off and put it on the block, it'll be exactly this contour right there. And so if you'd done a little filling in here and you want to keep that line straight, then you would take long strokes just like that. I'm just doing this on my little junk trash truck I have here on the farm. Alright, so we're going to take this out and let's help it along a little bit, and we'll cut a little V out of here. Okay, so now you see the contour right here. So we'll take that paper back off. Well, I just tore it, so we'll get another piece of paper. So we'll put our paper on. Make sure it's nice and tight. Like so. And then this fits perfect now. And so if you happen to weld a spot in here or bring a dent out and put some filler in here, then you can follow this line like this. So you see how that's caught that whole corner, and you can bring that line across your repair. And let's say that you have a massive panel and you want to cover a lot of area, at one time. Let me show you how to do that. Hold on. All right, so you want to sand a big flat panel, and you want more surface area than this standard block. So you just make a block twice as wide, 3 times wider, whatever, and so you just put the paper on it. Okay, so we're going to lay a piece of paper on here like so, and another one. Make sure you leave a little gap in between. You trim this extra off. Like so. And then now, if you have a big panel, let's say the top of this hood, and you want to cover a lot of area at a time, then you can work it like that. If you like my videos, please subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified on any new videos. Give me a thumbs up and share my videos, and I hope it saves you some time and money. Until next time, see ya. Bye.